Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Indian Scout 60. This is a 61 cubic inch V-twin, fuel injected, liquid cooled, gorgeous. Let me repeat that. This bike is gorgeous. Metallic white paint scheme, beautiful chrome pipes, engine guards, rider backrest, luggage rack. It also comes with a windshield you can put on the front. Only 3,381 miles. This bike is gonna sell very fast for just $84.90. Come on by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.